What if I told you that everything you learned about money growing up might be wrong? That's the core idea behind Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad, a book that has transformed the way millions of people think about wealth. This book is part memoir, part financial guide. It tells the story of two father figures in Kiyosaki's life, his biological dad, the poor dad, who followed a traditional path of education and a steady job but struggled financially, and his friend's father, the rich dad, who taught him how to build wealth through smart investments and entrepreneurships. Now, one of the key takeaways is the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that schools teach us how to work for money, but not how to make money work for us. He emphasizes building assets like real assets or businesses instead of relying on a paycheck. Another concept that stuck with me is the idea of escaping the rat race. Kiyosaki explains how most people get stuck in a cycle of earning and spending while the wealthy focus on creating streams of passive income. Now, it's a mindset shift that can completely change how you view your finances. Now, some of the advice might feel a bit simplified, and critics argue that it lacks detailed strategies. But I think the real value of this book lies in its ability to inspire action. It less about step by step instructions and more about challenging the way you think about money. So, if you are ready to rethink your financial future, I highly recommend grabbing a copy of Rich Dad Poor Dad. I have linked it in the description below, and you can also listen to it as an audiobook for free with an Amazon Audible trial. It's a great way to get started on your journey to financial freedom. Have you ever read Rich Dad Poor Dad? Let me know in the comments. And if you are just starting out, this book might be the spark you need. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck on your financial journey.